Chapter 6 AI for Financial Growth. How AI can supercharge investment strategies and personal finance management. From piggy banks to AI portfolios. How we got here. Alright, Gen X, let's talk money. Back in the day, financial planning meant balancing a checkbook, which, let's be honest, most of us weren't all that great at. Our parents told us to put money in a savings account, as if a 1.2% interest rate was going to make us rich. If you were really bold, maybe you had a CD, certificate of deposit, or some mutual funds your uncle won't stop talking about at Thanksgiving. Then came the 90s stock market boom, when everyone thought they could get rich off tech stocks. We saw Yahoo and Pets.com skyrocket and then crash so hard they became cautionary tales. Some of us even dabbled in day trading, or at least thought about it. Fast forward to now, and managing money has become more complex than ever, between inflation, unpredictable markets, and that one friend who keeps trying to convince us to buy crypto. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. But here's the good news. AI is stepping in to help. No, it's not a magic money-making machine, but AI-driven financial tools are making it easier to invest, budget, and grow wealth without needing a PhD in finance. Let's break down how AI is transforming personal finance and why Gen X should be paying attention. How AI is changing the way we handle money. Once upon a time, if you wanted investment advice, you had to 1. Call a financial advisor who may or may not have your best interests at heart. 2. Read the Wall Street Journal and pretend you understood it. Or 3. Take a wild guess and hope for the best. Now, AI is analyzing financial markets 24/7, optimizing investments, and helping people make smarter money decisions without needing a human middleman. Let's take a look at 3 real-world examples of AI-driven financial tools that are already making an impact. 1. AI-powered investment assistance. Real-world examples: Wealthfront and Betterment, robo-advisors. What they do: AI-based investment platforms automatically diversify your portfolio and adjust based on market conditions. They optimize for tax efficiency so you don't lose unnecessary money to Uncle Sam. They manage risk levels based on your goals, whether you're saving for retirement or just trying to make your money work harder. Why it's a game changer. Gen X is at a critical point in financial planning. Some of us are late to the investing game and need to catch up fast. Others are planning for retirement but don't want to spend hours watching stock tickers. And let's be real, some of us just don't want to deal with the stress of managing it ourselves. Robo-advisors are AI-powered financial managers that do the heavy lifting for us. No guesswork, no spreadsheets, just smart investing. 2. AI-driven budgeting and expense tracking. Real-world examples: Clio and YNAB. You need a budget. What they do: AI-powered apps track spending habits in real time and help create personalized budgets. They categorize expenses, flag unnecessary spending, and suggest better ways to save. Some even negotiate bills for you, like finding cheaper insurance or canceling unused subscriptions. Why it's a game changer. Remember how our parents used to say, just stop buying coffee and you'll be rich? Yeah, that's not how money works. The truth is, budgeting isn't just about cutting back. It's about optimizing where your money goes. AI-driven tools don't just say, stop spending. They analyze trends, predict future expenses, and show you how to make every dollar count. And unlike that one financial guru on YouTube, AI doesn't guilt trip you for enjoying takeout once in a while. 3. AI for smarter stock market investments. Real world examples, K-out, and trade ideas. What they do. These AI powered platforms analyze stock market trends faster than any human could. They identify potential investments and help predict market shifts. Some even offer real-time trading signals to help maximize gains and minimize risks. Why it's a game changer. In the 90s, if you wanted stock tips, you either watched CNBC all day, had an uncle who swore he knew a guy, or relied on pure dumb luck. Now AI can scan thousands of stocks in seconds looking for patterns and opportunities before humans even notice them. This is for Gen Xers who want to invest but don't have the time to analyze charts, are worried about market volatility, need data-driven advice instead of random internet tips. AI-powered stock tools offer a huge advantage. The future of AI in finance. What's coming next? AI is already making personal finance easier, but in the next 5 to 10 years, it's going to completely change how we handle money. Here's what's coming. AI-generated personalized investment plans. AI won't just suggest stocks. It'll create an entire financial strategy tailored to your income goals and spending habits. It'll adjust in real time based on market trends, economic shifts, and personal life changes. 2. AI-driven retirement planning. AI will predict exactly how much you'll need for retirement and create personalized saving strategies. It'll account for inflation, healthcare costs, and lifestyle changes, something traditional retirement plans often overlook. 3. AI-powered tax optimization. Imagine AI automatically finding tax deductions, optimizing write-offs, and ensuring you never overpay. It'll integrate with financial accounts, automatically categorizing expenses for tax efficiency. Final thoughts. Gen X, it's time to let AI handle the numbers. Look, most of us aren't professional investors. We don't need to be. AI isn't replacing financial experts, but it's giving everyday people access to tools that were once reserved for Wall Street. And here's the thing, we don't need to memorize stock charts. We don't need to micromanage every dollar. We just need to use the right AI tools to make smarter financial decisions. Because if AI can optimize our finances, that means more time for us to enjoy life. And isn't that the real goal? So the summary, how AI can help with financial growth. AI-powered investment assistants automate smart investing. AI-driven budget tools help manage spending and saving. AI-driven stock analysis make investing smarter, not riskier. The future of AI in finance will bring personalized investment strategies, automated tax planning, and smarter retirement plans. So let's stop stressing about money and start using AI to build wealth on autopilot. And if AI ever figures out how to make a beer an investment asset, well, then we'll really be living in the future.